Hey guys, in today's video we'll take a look at Bose Smart Soundbar 300, a high-quality soundbar that delivers excellent sound quality and features advanced connectivity options. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 delivers powerful and clear sound, with deep bass and crisp treble. It features a custom-designed 8-microphone array for superior voice pickup and a noise-rejecting technology that ensures clear communication. The acoustic architecture is specially designed to keep this soundbar sleek and elegant. With built-in voice assistants and exclusive Bose Voice for Video technology, what typically takes several steps can now be done with one simple voice command. The Bose Voice for Video technology expands your Alexa voice capabilities like no other soundbar can. In addition to controlling your Bose Smart Soundbar 300, you can control your TV and your external cable or satellite box with just your voice. No remote, no buttons, no nothing. Turn on your TV and jump to your favorite station all with one simple ask of Alexa. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 features built-in Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, allowing you to connect to your favorite streaming services and devices wirelessly. You can also use Alexa or Google Assistant to control the soundbar with your voice. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 can be used as part of a multi-room audio system when paired with other Bose smart speakers and soundbars. This allows you to stream music throughout your home and control it all with your voice or through the Bose Music app. With the Bose Music app, you can easily set up your soundbar, choose your voice assistant, and browse through all your music in one place, seamlessly jumping between stations, playlists, and services without ever leaving the app. Plus, it's another simple way to control the Bose Smart Soundbar 300 or group together your compatible smart home products. With Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Chromecast built-in, Apple AirPlay 2, and Spotify Connect compatibility, you can wirelessly stream whatever you want, however you want. Browse your favorite music services or play anything from your mobile devices. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 has a sleek and modern design that complements any home decor. It measures just 26 inches long and 2.2 inches tall, making it a perfect fit for small spaces. Being not that tall, the Bose Smart Soundbar 300 is designed to sit low in front of your TV for an unobtrusive view of the screen. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 features an HDMI ARC port, which allows for easy connection to your TV and enables the soundbar to receive audio signals from your TV, eliminating the need for a separate audio cable. It also features an optical in port, a base module connection, and a power input. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 is easy to set up and use. It comes with a simple remote control and can be connected to your TV in minutes. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 can be expanded with the Bose Bass Module 500 or 700, which are sold separately. These wireless subwoofers can provide even deeper and more immersive bass for an even better listening experience. It can also be paired with the Bose Surround speakers and the Bose Surround Speakers 700. Opening the box, you will find Bose Smart Soundbar 300, remote control with batteries included, power cord, optical cable, and a quick start guide. The Bose Smart Soundbar 300 may be expensive compared to many other TV speakers, but its sound quality, customization, extra features, voice control, and expandability make it an investment you won't regret. Overall, the Bose Smart Soundbar 300 is a versatile and powerful soundbar that offers excellent sound quality, advanced connectivity options, and a sleek and modern design. It is a great choice for anyone who wants to upgrade their TV audio experience or create a multi-room audio setup. For buying options and more information about the Bose Smart Soundbar 300, check the links in video description. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Now, check out my 2 next videos. See you soon.